This is Language Studio. It takes a website you have already built and sells it a second time in another language without touching the design. This is Mezo ORL, a jeweler in Miami. Every piece is made once for one person. Load the site and the studio reads the pages it will be working on. Now the languages, Spanish first, this is Miami, and that is what half the street is speaking. French for a house that sells to Montreal and Paris. And Japanese, which is a different writing system altogether. Extract pulls out every piece of visible text across the site. It also decides what it will never touch. Filter to those, and you can see why that matters. Mezo ORL is locked. The name and the address customers write to stay exactly as written in every language, because a brand that gets translated is a brand that gets lost. Back to the full list. Translate does the rest locally on this machine. Every string goes to a model running on this desk. There is no cloud service in the loop, no API key, and no per word bill, which is what makes a third language cost the same as the first. Three languages come back at once. Here is the Spanish. And here is the French, side by side with the original, line for line. This is the part worth watching, a heading with the brand sitting inside it. About Mezo ORL becomes apropos de Mezo ORL. The sentence around the name turns French. The name itself comes through untouched. And this is what review is for. Resetting an heirloom is a jeweler's term, and the model rendered it as an English word wearing a French accent. The trade word is remontage. You click the line and type the correction. There is nothing to rerun. The Japanese is the same job in a different alphabet. Write builds the translated sites, one folder per language beside the original. One site in, 3 languages out. And this is the customer's real site on the public internet. One button in the corner, it knows every language this site has been built in. Spanish for the street the workshop stands on. And a way back out for anyone who lands somewhere they cannot read. In Japanese, a different alphabet entirely. The same photographs, the same layout, the same brand. One site sold 4 times. See it yourself at mezoorl.damphi.com.